If you're trying to install Epic Games and the setup ends prematurely with an error in Windows, keep watching and I'll show you how to fix it. Let's right-click on the Windows icon and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Run New Task at the top. In the new window, click on the Browse button. Now let's navigate to where your Epic Games launcher installed is saved. I have mine in the Download folder. At the bottom right, change the file type to All Files so you can see the MSI file. Select Epic Installer File and click on Open. Make sure to check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Then click on OK. The Epic Games Launcher setup should now run without any issues. And just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Let me know in the comments if this solved your issue, and if this helped, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.